Is your iPad screen frozen solid, turning your sleek tablet into a very expensive paperweight? Let's get your iPad back in action, starting with a force restart. Rapidly press and release the volume up button, then the volume down button, then firmly press and hold the power button until the Apple logo appears. Wait for the iPad to fully restart. This can often clear glitches. If that doesn't do the trick, next check for software updates. Head to your iPad settings, tap General, then Software Update. If an update is available, download and install it. Outdated software is a common culprit behind iPad freezes. Sometimes, a full iPad can cause problems. Inside Settings, tap on General, then iPad Storage. See if you are running low. Delete any unused apps or files to free up space. This ensures a smoother experience and may alleviate the unresponsiveness. If none of these steps work, consider potential hardware issues. Is the screen cracked or damaged? If so, this could be a factor. Try cleaning the screen with a soft microfiber cloth. Sometimes a dirty screen can impair touch responsiveness. If you've tried everything and your iPad is still unresponsive, it might be time to contact Apple support or visit an authorized service provider. Don't give up. You got this.